Did a little rearranging of the box. Supported up the top now. It's a little cockeyed, but it's sturdy. All the plastic in here vibrates a lot, and I know the real way to sound deaden would be to take everything off and put it on the back side, then reinstall it and put it on the metal, but this is just I'm just trying to see if I can clean up a little bit of the everything rattling noise as much as I can. Put a little sound deadening there, here, cut it to fit the oh shit handles, you know. I'm gonna do this thing here because that makes a shitload of noise, and then I might do a strip along the dash there, and then test it out and see where the places of issues are. So wish me luck. So far it's not nearly loud enough for me, but that's because the whole roof is not sound deadened, which I definitely want to get to that eventually, but that's more than I'm able to spend right now on sound deadening. Puppy's doing good. Oh, I cut my hair. The world's gone to shit. So, I don't know. Be ready for whatever.